Hey, it's Yusef Davis again, here to talk about how we can add a document to your calendar. So, essentially, what you do is you create an event. You create an event and you go to more options, of course, and you go into this attachment, add attachment, click it, and you can. If something's already in your drive for you to upload, you can click it. Anything that's in your drive already. Let's say I want to attach one of these images that I took a while back, and I wanted to show it to somebody. So I'd select that, and it'd be in the description of the event. I mean, I guess you could put photo shoot plus inspo if I was to like add one of my models for a shoot or something in this, and then like attach the type of images we'd want to be trying to create or something like that. Seems like a good idea. So I mean, that's your easiest way. And if I want to share it, I personally would add the guest person who I specifically want this to be with. Of course, you add the email, and once you add that email, they would automatically be invited to the event, and they'd be invited to see that file. So I discard that. I don't need one of those right now. But you can also add to something that you already have and share it with someone. So let's say I want to add something to this. Let's say I want to add this event, right? And I wanted to add an attachment to that. I could do the same thing. I don't have any accounting work with. Let's say I want to add this. Let's say I want to add the accounting duty schedule for my last thing. Not duty schedule, but the accounting schedule. Say select, right? That I would add, I guess, let's say I want to add one of my classmates or something like that. I don't really have anyone's email, but say I want to add a classmate. And then I could just save it like that. And I could save it to all the following ones because, I would just save it for this one because I don't really need it for all my other ones. And it would be officially a part of that event now. So, yeah, that's the fast and quick way to do that. Thank you.